Let's make a resin heart. So this mold is big. It's 28 ounces. You can get it from Let's Resin. We're going to be pouring this one in a bunch of different layers. First layer going in with some clear. And this was so I could fill up the artery sections on the mold and see if there was any bubbles trapped in there. The bottom of this mold is really detailed, so I wanted to use clear, filled up all the way to the top of the arteries, dropped down some dichroic glass, let it cure overnight. This is the next day. Added some glitter inside the mold, moved my mold around so the glitter completely covered the outside of the mold. Thanks so much to Rita for this tip. This gives you an overall look of glitter. If you're using glitter in your piece, in case your glitter sinks, it's going to give you a look of full coverage of glitter. Added 8 ounces of resin mixed with glitter, and I thought I had enough on day number 2, but I didn't. So here we are again, filling up the mold the rest of the way. This is just some glitter mixed with clear resin, and that's it. Let it cure overnight. I'm going to take a little bit of 91% isopropyl alcohol, squirt it inside the mold so this piece comes out easy. Here's how it turned out. I absolutely love it. I saw the dichroic glass man make a piece like this, and I knew I had to try it. It turned out so cool. You can get the glass from him, and the resin and the mold are from Let's Resin, discount code NAPTIME. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to follow me for more videos like this.